Hi there, Justin Terhune here with Anabadenko America, and we're back for another tips and tricks video. Today's video, we're going to address a question that we get quite often. A lot of contractors want to know, what is that oval perforation in the top of all of my slim duct? And it's a very good question because it's actually very, very important to the installation. And today, I'm going to tell you why. So all of our fittings at Anabadenko, I'll use this for an example. This is our SW wall inlet, but all of our 90s, our 45s, our end fittings, they all have a stopper edge. And obviously that's there so that we know our slim duct is in as far as we want it to be to protect what's inside. Now the wall inlet is a little bit different. The wall inlet acts as an anchor for each run in the system. And what I mean by that is once we've drilled our hole, we're going to use our screws here to anchor. Once the inlet cover goes on, we're going to anchor again here, and then we've got our set screws. So once we've got the inlet on and we slide our slim duct in place, on the inside of the wall inlet, there's actually a plastic nipple there. Now, unfortunately, most contractors just break that off. But what that's designed to do is once we put the cover on, the slim duct is designed to set right in that hole. And what that's going to do, it's going to keep the cover of our slim duct from sliding down after the installation, whether it be from vibration of the equipment, maybe the weather. But if you're filling your slim duct to the manufacturer's recommended specifications, this should slide freely. And what we don't want to happen is after the install is complete, this to slide down. Now we're exposed to the elements, to rodents, to insects, and that's what that perforated hole is for. So that's it for today's tips and tricks. I hope you found that helpful. Be sure to subscribe to us on YouTube and follow us on LinkedIn and Instagram, and we look forward to seeing you next time. Till then.